So right now I'm cutting out the template. I printed it out on some like really hard sort of like construction type paper. This will be the passenger side, and after that we're gonna tape it on the car. Wearing these sunglasses because it's sunny out and protect my eyes. I just put the cut in. It's kind of scary, but I think I'll be pretty happy when it's done.
Continue.
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure it out. So we cut most of it down. The hole is mostly almost ready now. We just gotta clean it up, and then after that we should be good for putting it in. Alright, we just finished cutting this side finally after like a whole hour or something.
This was the test fender.
The test fender, because this side is crappier than the other one. So now we're just gonna clean up this side, you know, fix it up, spray it, some paint, and then put in the side marker. So we just started wiring it up. So we got that right there, holes cut, got the wires, got rigged it for now, you know. Got the black and the white, and yeah, we'll see from there. Now we got the green wire.
Hell yeah.
And we're gonna tap into the red wire.
Then you never have to cut it.
Awesome. And we're gonna take those two wires over here and then tap it into these ones. And we're trying to go in the JDM route, so it'll stay on when it blinks. And stay on. Oh, we got one side working! Ah! JDM route, alternate signal.
Oh yeah.
Oh damn, that shit looks so cool. I know it's kind of dark, but here it is with the lights all on. Freaking dope. Got my fogs and HIDs on. For now, we just got this side on. We'll do the other side tomorrow. Oh snap.
Oh, came on. Deep enough? Nope.
Look like I'm good right here. Try to go more than that.
Deeper. Oh, there you go. Should hold on to it before it like flies out.
No, it's, I wonder what it was. I think that's just a piece of tape or something. From the side or something.
There you go. Good.